Sadie, honey.
No, only one back door.
Does the front, both the front doors work? Oh, I thought you meant the front door.
Oh, no.
Quit bugging him.
I'd bug every damn limb off. An antique show like that. It was the Scott's Antique Market when we, not long after we got married.
Oh, yeah?
Sit down.
So you're...
God bless you. You're sneezing. You have a big eye booger. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Are you all good? You good? Your nose itch a little bit? Send this to Mom. Ew! What was that? Ow!
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
Hold. What? Explain your sneeze.
I'm sorry?
Do you have allergies?
No,
Is there too much pepper on your salad?
I don't put pepper on salads.
I've heard nothing over there.
Sneeze.
Oh. Oh my God.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Good? Good?
I understand. You have,
You all right?
Oh, hey, stupid, I love you.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Is that it? No more. You good? Raven, are you okay?
Right, you need to get down. Don't sneeze. No, go, 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 go. Get down, Snora. Get down.
Run.
Ah!
Hey, Kurt, can you sneeze? Kurt, can you sneeze? Kurt, can you sneeze? Good boy. High five. Yeah.
Bless you. Bless you. I saw that one coming.
It's not done.
Oh my goodness. What happened?
Bless you.
I feel like you're gonna sneeze soon. Hi, baby. Long day away from you, I know. Oh, bless.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
What the fuck? Yo, you got the vid. Bro, why you sneezing so much? Oh my god. Are you okay, buddy? Oh. Bro, you're hitting the ground. Oh. You done?